welcome guys. In this video, we'll see and discuss around how to migrate your WordPress from one server to another. Okay, so in a traditional way, if you go, you should have a code, you should have a database, and you should have so complete code, and the database will be fine enough. But this will require some technical skills, like you should have knowledge of how you can import the database, how you can run your WordPress in a proper step, like the configurations you will have to do, and the DB will have to import, the connection will have to make adjustment down. Okay, but this is so hectic. But in case you are non-technical, so there is a plugin comes with Moodle that is all-in-one WP migration. Using this plugin, you can export that the complete site, whatever is running site you have in WordPress, you can export that one. Okay, so let's get started with that. So this will be helping, it will create everything like whatever the content you have, whatever the theme you are using, and all the database. You don't have to worry anything. In case you have to migrate this complete one, you just have to install a default WordPress and you just import this newly one. Okay, the pack, it will give you the package and you just have to import this package. Okay, so once you do this, all the site, whatever is working here, you will be automatically change your default to this. Okay, so in this video we will only see the backup, how you can take. So in case you don't have this plugin, you'll have to install that all-in-one WP migration. Then after clicking on this, you'll have to click on the backup. Okay, so this is backup. Then here you see no backup found, create a new one. Okay, so I'll be clicking on this and preparing to export. So the moment you click, it will create everything for you and it will be exported soon. So here you see archiving, this content, this media. So basically we'll see the all the file media you have and all the plugins file you have. Okay, so you can also see here the percentage how much it is completed. So in case you have a strong internet connection, so currently I think I am with the 5G connection. Yeah, so yeah, so now you see it is available to download, and this will give you the format, the WordPress format, and you can simply import this to make the same website running there where you will be importing this. Okay, so I am going to click on this. So here you see it is, you size, you see here the 1.3 GB in size, and the time it is saying 3-4 hours, but yeah, of course it will be reduced for sure because I have good internet connection. Not sure why it is taking too much time, but yes, so it will take time depending on the speed you have, the internet speed. Okay, so this is very simple and quick step. So it will be creating everything you see here within 5 minutes. And this, in case you have to import the same thing where you are migrating your site, you just have to browse this package. Okay, so let's come to that step also. So in case you have to import, suppose I have default one and I will be installing this one plugin. And once I click on import, uh, and yes, I will have to browse the file. Yeah, and this will be the file, the WordPress one. So I should have already some backup file. So you can browse, simply browse that one and just click on yes. Okay. So importing will take some time. So taking backup will not much take time. Okay. So this is how you can take a backup. So in another video, after completion of this, I will create a export import functionality. Okay. So thank you. Thank you for watching. So you can also share this particular URL, and in case you are feeling slowness around your internet connection, So you see here the backup one. So currently it is in progress. That means the backup is created. And someone log in at the end with this credential, they will also see the backup file. Okay. And they can also download this particular one. Got it? And this is the backup you have taken. In case something goes wrong on your system, on this particular itself, then from here you can also restore. Okay. Suppose you are working on a page and that got disrupted somehow, and you want the restore the previous version. So this backup will also be helpful. So for that you'll also have to click here on the restore, and the restore functionality is available in our unlimited extension if you rather go for this. So for that, I think you'll have the paid plan of this particular plugin. But yes, the backup is taken. Download, you can download this one for free. Okay, so if you click on this, you see here another will be started. But I don't want this to be downloaded, so I will have to. So I will not be clicking on the keep, so it will download another copy. So I just want to continue with the older one. Okay. So the moment you click on this particular download button, it will be start downloading. Okay. So this will be very helpful in, I am taking a backup and I just give the steps and I will share this particular step. You can download this at your system because 1.3 GB is a large size. So they can download very easy. Okay, so this is how you can play around the all-in-one WP migration plugins. Thank you. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.